Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing a truly enticing recipe. Using just a few familiar ingredients, we'll create an egg-rolled bread dish that is crispy, aromatic, and nutritious. The highlight is the rich, flavorful sauce that takes the dish to the next level. Let's get started. First, we prepare the vegetables. The tomatoes are cut into small pieces so they cook quickly and break down easily into a sauce. Next, the onion is diced into medium-sized pieces to release a natural sweetness when sautéed. Finally, the scallions are finely chopped to add aroma and color to the dish. Once the ingredients are ready, heat the pan and add a little olive oil. When the oil is hot, add all the tomatoes, onions, and scallions to the pan. Stir constantly to blend the ingredients together. Don't turn off the heat just yet. Use a spoon or spatula to gently mash the tomatoes while stirring. As they release their juices and blend with the onions, a naturally smooth, rich sauce will form. Add a little salt and pepper to enhance the flavor, and continue stirring until the mixture is soft, fragrant, and a vibrant red. Once the sauce reaches the desired consistency, transfer it to a plate and set it aside. Next is the bread. Prepare 3 slices of sandwich bread. Use a rolling pin or a glass bottle to gently flatten each slice. This makes the bread easier to roll and ensures it fries up evenly crispy and visually appealing. Next, crack the egg into a bowl. Use chopsticks or a whisk to beat it thoroughly until the yolk and white are completely blended. This egg mixture will help the outer layer of the cake achieve a golden hue and bind more firmly during frying. Now let's prepare the filling. Cut the cucumber into bite-sized strips. Slice the sausage lengthwise to make rolling easier. Sliced cheese is an essential ingredient, adding a rich, creamy flavor and creating an appealing cheese pull effect. Finally, add a few fresh lettuce leaves for crunch and to balance the flavors. Take a flattened bread slice and layer on the lettuce, cucumber, sausage, and cheese. Then gently roll it up tightly to ensure the filling stays secure during frying. Repeat the process with the remaining bread slices. Once the rolls are assembled, place them on a plate and slowly drizzle the beaten egg over them. You can gently roll them to ensure they are evenly coated with a thin layer of egg. This coating creates a beautiful golden color and a delicious flavor after frying. Heat the pan with a sufficient amount of oil. Once the oil is hot, gently place the rolls into the pan. Fry over medium heat so the egg coating cooks gradually. This ensures an even golden color without burning. Remember to turn the rolls frequently to achieve a uniform, crispy finish on all sides. After just a few minutes, the aroma of butter, bread, and egg begins to waft through the air. The outer crust turns a rich golden brown, while the cheese inside slowly melts. Once all sides are evenly golden and crispy to your liking, remove the rolls from the pan and let them drain briefly. Now comes the step that makes the dish truly stand out. Take the tomato sauce prepared earlier and drizzle it evenly over the freshly fried rolls. The hot sauce gently soaks into the crispy pastry, creating a perfect harmony of sweet and tangy tomato flavors, rich cheese, and the crispy, aromatic bread. You can garnish the dish with a little scallion or fresh herbs to make it look even more appealing. And just like that, the egg-filled bread rolls with tomato sauce are ready. With a crispy golden exterior and a filling packed with ingredients and rich creamy cheese, complemented by a sweet and savory tomato sauce, every bite is absolutely delicious. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future simple and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.